In this video, you'll learn how to buy Binance Coin, commonly known as BNB. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate the Binance platform effectively and complete your purchase of BNB. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. If you are not signed in, you will need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the main menu where you will find options such as trade or markets. Click on this option to proceed. After selecting it, you should see a list of available trading pairs. Use the search function to find Binance Coin and select a trading pair like BNN/USDT. It is important to review the price chart and recent price movements to understand market trends before moving forward. Ensure that you have sufficient balance in the quote currency, which in this case is USDT. Confirm that the trading page has loaded correctly, as this prepares you to buy BNB. Next, you will need to place a buy order for Binance Coin. In the trading interface, find and select the buy option. You will be presented with two types of orders: a market order for an instant purchase or a limit order that allows you to set your desired price. Choose the type of order that best suits your strategy. Enter either the amount of BNB you wish to buy or the total amount you want to spend. It is crucial to review the order summary carefully to ensure that all details are correct. Once you are satisfied, submit the order. Market orders will fill immediately, while limit orders will remain open until the specified price is reached. Completing this step finalizes your purchase of BNB. After placing your order, it is important to confirm and manage your newly acquired BNB. Navigate to your spot wallet, where you can check your BN balance to ensure that the transaction was successful. Additionally, take a moment to review your order history for execution details and any associated fees. At this point, you should decide how you want to handle your BNB. You can choose to hold it, stake it for potential rewards, or use it to receive discounts on trading fees. To further enhance the security of your assets, enable available security features such as two-factor authentication. Regularly monitor price movements to stay informed about market changes. It is advisable to avoid overtrading based on short-term fluctuations, as this can lead to unnecessary losses. In conclusion, buying Binance Coin involves navigating to the Binance platform, placing a buy order, and managing your assets responsibly. Make sure to check your available balance and understand the implications of market and limit orders before proceeding. Always prioritize security and stay updated on market trends to ensure effective management of your investment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.